Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Python. Today we are going to learn adding the text to the image using the pillow Python. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So adding a simple text. So here we have the full-fledged code. Let me just add this. So this is the path that we have to add. It is this one. Okay, so here we are going to add the text. Okay, creating a drawing object image draw, define the text and its property, and image use a built-in font. So default font default font we are using, then text color, and then adding a text to the image, position, text, font, and the fill color. Save the image and just show that image. Okay, save this. Let's go and run. So here you can see it is mentioned that hello world. Okay, here you can see that. Let's make the font size to be more clearer. So position we have make it like I will make it 500 by 500 x-axis and y-axis, and color is this one, white. Okay, let's try to do again. So here you can see that it's commit right now. Here you can see hello world is coming over here. Here you can see the text. So it depends on this one, like position. So according to it you have to set the position, then definitely it will come over here. Okay, the next one, adding a text with the true type font. So depends, you have to add the just font and the font size over here. Okay, so let's add the font path, and let's have a look for that one also. So custom font I'm going to use. So let me just comment this one. Let's add another one, path to your font. So I'm going to use TTF, no? That we have Open Sans and TTF. Open Sans bold TTF, I will use it. Okay, font size 40, true font. Okay, hello world, I will add it. Okay, let's have a look for make it like 200 by 200. Okay, x and y coordinates, then the path of that image I need to add. Okay, so import image draw and the image font from the PAL below. Okay, so let's have a look how it comes. Let's make the save image with the image dot this with text dot png. Okay, save this. Let's show it. So here you can see hello world. Right, font size you can also increase the font size, depends on here. Make it 50, whatever font size. Let's make it now more clearer. Okay, so this is how you can adding a text on the image, right? So anything I missed, that's okay, that's now okay. So any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. have a nice day.